students, welcome back to 7th class science class. Already last class we discussed about the motion. Now in this class we discuss about the time. Time is very important thing because in our daily life we use time like hours, minutes, seconds, week, month, seasons. So that is the time. In this, without using the word time, we are so late, we are so early. So in this word, we are using. Now coming to the next topic, estimating time. Estimating time means it is imagination. Suppose మన స్కూల్కి 8 o'clock వెళ్ళాలి. సో అక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, ఊహించుకుంటున్నాం, అంటే వెళ్ళాలి 8 o'clock కల్లా రీచ్ అవ్వగలం. So that is the estimating time. It is a imagination. ఊహాగలం ఇంత టైంలో అక్కడ రీచ్ అవ్వగలం. బట్ మనం పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చెప్పలేము అదే టైంలో రీచ్ అవుతామో లేదని. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఎస్టిమేటింగ్ టైం. Now coming to the stop clock. Stop clock it is mainly used in running races by checking pulse rates, BPs, swimming races, competitions low. Here we using stop clock. In this stop clock we observe the duration of time. The national anthem in minutes low. Enta time. Here also we using clock. Next, units of time. Units, basic unit of time is seconds. All of you know seconds. Ade ekku anuko minutes, hours. So that is the units of time. See Nana, here 60 seconds means 1 minute. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Next, 24 hours. So that is 1 day. 365 days means 1 year. So that is the units of time. What? 60 seconds, 1 minute. 60 minutes means 1 hour. 24 hours means 1 day. 365 days means 1 year. Suppose 1 hour annavanuko, then mana seconds lo ela convert chestam. 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, 3000. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Units of time is seconds. Sometimes we measure in minutes, hours. Next, 10 years means 1 decade. And 10 decades means 1 century. 10 centuries means 1 millennium. It is very important chapter. Read. Next topic is speed. Speed means it is any distance traveled by a time. Speed tells you distance కావాలి, time కావాలి. So speed means మనం ఎంత distance travel చేస్తున్నాం. Travel means time also you can estimate. Speed means is distance traveled by time. That is speed. Speedometer. It is mainly used in to observe the vehicle speed, car speed, motor vehicle speed. So speedometer means it can observe the speed of vehicle. Speed means distance traveled by time. So that is speed. Next, average speed. Average means total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. మనం ఎక్కడికైనా ఒక టైం ని సెకండ్స్ లో మెజర్ చేయాలి. టైం ఇస్ మెజరింగ్ ఇన్ సెకండ్స్. సో యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ స్పీడ్ ఈస్ మీటర్స్ పర్ సెకండ్. మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. నెక్స్ట్ సినానా అదే కిలోమీటర్లో. సో 1 kilometer per hour is, it is very important to know, 1 kilometer per hour is 5/18 meter per seconds. ఇది ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే all of you know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 hour is equal to, already you know 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 3600 seconds. It is larger distance and larger time. You convert into meter per seconds. Next, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 by 3600 meter per second. Cancel. 25 100, 20 80, 300, 360. So 1 kilometer per hour is 5/18 meter per second. So this is the speed. Speed means distance by time. Distance means measuring in meters, kilometers, like this. Time measuring in seconds, hours, like this. See Nana, one example. Speed of a car is 72 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer per hour. Converts its speed in meter per second. మనకి ఇక్కడ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కార్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఎంత స్పీడ్ తో 72 కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్. దాన్ని మనం మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్స్ లోని కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. అంటే స్పీడ్ ని మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్స్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం? స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కార్ 72 kilometer per hour. Okay, మనం converts into speed in meter per second. Convert speed in meter per second. See Nana, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5/18 meter per seconds. 5/18 meter per seconds. అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 kilometer per hour is 72 kilometer per hour into 5/18 meter per seconds. 5/18 meter per seconds. అంటే see 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5/18 meter per second. See 72 kilometer per hour. In this place I am writing 5/18 meter per seconds. So 18 ones, 18 fours. So 4 5s are 20 meter per second. See Nana, here speed of a car is 72 kilometer per hour. Convert speed in meter per second means 1 kilometer per hour. Already you know 5/18 meter per second. Now convert into kilometer per hour. Replace 5/18 meter per second. Now 18 ones, 18 fours. 4 5s are 20 meter per second. So this is the one model. See now in this class we discussed time, estimation time, stop clock, units of time. Time means all of you know. We measure in minutes, hours, week, month, like this. Estimation time means this imagination. Uhagan. Stop clock. We can observe in races. Any competition we observe in stop clock. And duration of time also we observe in bell rang, national anthem. So on that time we observe the time. Next, units of time. The basic unit of time is seconds. For otherwise larger means minutes or hours. So 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So like that we observe. Next, speed. Speed means the distance traveled by time. Distance traveled by time. Next, unit of speed. Distance means in terms of meters and time is in terms of seconds. So distance by time is meter per second and another word kilometer per hour. So So next class we discuss the problems, Nana. Thank you.